Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Callie Bevier.
Hi, Kelly. And where are you from?
I'm from a really small town in Ohio. It's called Grand Rapids.
And how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years old.
Yeah.
Wow. And what is your dream?
My dream is to win America's Got Talent.
As a singer?
As a singer, yes.
Who do you compare yourself to?
I don't compare myself to anyone.
That's good.
Yeah.
As Simon always says, he looks for somebody who's original, somebody who we can hear something we've never heard before. Is that what we're about to hear?
Hopefully, yes.
I hope so, too. I like the whole look. It's like a little Audrey Hepburn.
Oh, thank you. My hair wasn't really like my choice. I'm a survivor of stage 3 ovarian cancer.
No way.
Yeah. I kind of came here today to show people that no matter what you've gone through, to keep chasing your dreams.
Oh, what a great message. Wow, you're an inspiration. We can't wait to hear you. Good luck.
Thank you.
You can feel my heart beating out of my
As it
chest.
says, it's gonna be okay.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream them aloud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion.
You know, you have gone through an obstacle far greater than anybody much older than you could even imagine going through. And then you come to this point and you make choices, and you made the choice of singing that song. And that's your fight song.
Yeah.
And it was so heartfelt and so inspirational. I just want to say thank you.
Thank you so much.
It was amazing. Your tones and the way that you fell off the note was just on point. Couldn't have gone any better for you, I don't think.
Thank you.
You do have a beautiful voice, and I can't believe that you're only 16 years old. I mean, it's incredible. Well done.
Thank you.
Callistus, I love everything about
Thank you so much.
Just, you know what? I just had this feeling when you walked out, I can't explain it. Just your spirit, the choice of song, your voice. I think you're really special. I've just got this really incredible feeling about you.
Thank you so
I really
much.
do.
That means so much coming from you.
Telling you.
There's a lot coming from Simon.
I think everyone in this room felt it. And I think that, look, you were nervous, I could hear that. But you know, you get past this stage, I predict great things are gonna happen for you. There's something about you.
Thank you.
Sorry, I've got to do this.